In today's video, we're going to be making another vegetarian recipe, and one I'm sure a lot of us love, Chana Masala, a nutritious and protein-packed recipe which is lower in calories than the ones we generally make at home, but tastes just as good. Hey, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Firstly, ignore this. I really need to get a haircut, just haven't got the chance to get one. But if you are new to this channel, my name is FitLifeWithVatsa and I am a self-taught fitness enthusiast. If you are looking to stay fit, lose weight, build muscle, and just improve your life overall, then you are in the right place. I am not like other fitness YouTubers. I am not a bodybuilder. I am not shredded with six-pack abs all year long. I also don't have the best genetics. I am just like most of you who are either studying or working a 9 to 5, just trying to stay fit and just trying to get better every day. Every week, I'm going to be sharing delicious, low-calorie Indian recipes which you can add straight into your diet, and also fitness-related content broken down into very simple terms that help me to go from this to this. So please do consider subscribing. With that, let's jump into this video. Now, the point of these recipe videos is not to show you something you don't already know or to show you that I'm a good cook, because I am nowhere close, but it's to show you how you can incorporate the already existing Indian foods that we all know and love by making small tweaks to it so that one, it's more calorie friendly, and two, it can be added straight into your diet to make your fitness journey more enjoyable. I am here to show you that we don't have to cut down on anything. We can add our basic Indian food to our diet and still continue to hit our fitness goals. Alright, with that being said, let's now jump into the recipe, and as always, the calories and the macronutrient breakdown for the entire recipe will be mentioned at the end, so make sure you stay tuned and watch the entire video. And also, please support the channel, give it a like, and do subscribe to it. Moving on to the ingredients, we will need 200 grams of raw chickpeas. I soaked it for about 3 to 4 hours, 1 medium onion chopped, 2 medium tomatoes chopped, 1 to 2 green chilies, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 tablespoon of oil or ghee, and finally for the spices, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric, half teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 tablespoon of garam masala, and last but not the least, half teaspoon of coriander powder. Now, with respect to the spices, feel free to adjust it based on your taste. They are usually negligible calories, so you don't have to worry about it too much. The overall calories will still pretty much be the same, okay? Now, moving on to the recipe, the first thing we are going to do is cook the chickpeas. So add them to a pressure cooker along with 3 cups of water, half teaspoon of salt, and cook for about 4 to 6 whistles on medium flame. You want to make sure you test it after it's cooked so that it's soft, tender, and it holds its shape and it's not too mushy. So what you can do is you can actually squeeze the chickpea, and if it gets mashed, then it's pretty much the right consistency. But if it's still firm, that means it's undercooked and you probably want to cook it a little longer. Once that's done, I went ahead and set it aside and took a pan and added 1 tablespoon of oil. I waited for a few minutes for the oil to heat up and then added the onions. Sauteed that for a minute or two and then went in with the green chilies. After the onions turned golden, I added the ginger garlic paste and sauteed it until the raw smell of the ginger garlic paste faded away, which usually takes about 1 to 2 minutes, but make sure you don't burn it. Next, we will add the tomatoes and cook until it becomes mushy. I covered it for a good 5 minutes, and once the tomatoes became all soft, it was time to add the spices along with some salt. Saute on medium flame for about 3 to 4 minutes until the masala smells aromatic. It is finally time to add the cooked chickpeas along with the water and mix everything up really well. And that's pretty much it, guys. Now you just continue to cook it until it reaches your desired consistency. I like mine to be a little liquidy as such, so I was happy with it, turned off the heat, and garnished it with some kasuri methi. Feel free to add fresh coriander leaves if you'd like, and there you have it. Delicious, mouth-watering chana masala is all set. Now, moving on to the calories and the macronutrient breakdown for this entire recipe. This is a total of approximately 915 calories, which includes 136 grams of carbs, 26 grams of fat, and 46 grams of protein. And if you divide this into 3 servings, then each serving is 305 calories, of which 45 grams are carbs, 8 grams are fat, and 15 grams are protein. With that, we come to the end of this video. Hopefully you enjoyed it. If you did, please subscribe, hit the like button, and also do try the recipe out. And if you do tag me on Instagram. I would love to see it. With that being said, guys, you take care, you stay safe, and I will see you in the next video.